Replacement filters. Get everything you need for another year of clean, clear water with this annual filter replacement pack. Made for your Amazon Basics 4-stage reverse osmosis water filtration system. Enjoy filtered water every day. This water filter system reduces chemicals, particulates, and contaminants, as well as unpleasant odors and tastes often associated with unfiltered tap water. Reduce sediment, contaminants, and chlorine. This pack of reverse osmosis filter replacements includes 2 Stage 1 sediment filters, 2 Stage 2 pre-carbon block filters, and 1 Stage 4 post-carbon block filter. Peace of mind. All of our reverse osmosis water filter system components are lead-free and tested for safety. Use this water filter to reduce chlorine and capture particulates found in tap water. Amazon Basics. We make premium water filtration systems, including faucet filters, whole house filters, under-the-sink filters, shower filters and more, so you can provide clean water for your whole family. Amazon Basics AMZN-PB-TLRO4RCT-5PK Annual Pack Row Drinking Water System 1, 2 and Stage 4 Reverse Osmosis Replacement Filters, White. Top reviews from the United States. Identical replacement for a certain other store's row system. If you bought a certain undersink row system from the Warehouse Club store whose name begins with a C, these filters are an identical replacement for it. Installation is the same. Twist off the old filter, twist on the new. It saves a trip to the store, and it's a way to keep using your row system if you've let your membership at said store lapse for whatever reason.